An e-commerce website or an online store is the greatest way to showcase the products that you sell on a website, and it can bring a lot of sales if done correctly. If you sell on Facebook or Instagram or without any social media page, then an online store is the best place to direct customers to. Let your customers pay via Momo and debit cards, accept international payments on your website, link your Instagram shop to your online store, and start selling today. You can build your own online store using WordPress and WooCommerce. I recommend WordPress because it is the easiest and secured way to build an online store without paying huge fees to developers. WordPress powers over 30% of websites online. To build your online store, you need a fast and reliable web hosting company. iWood Media Host is a reliable web hosting company helping small and medium businesses to set up their websites with cheap hosting and free domains. Visit iWoodMediaHost.com and get started with your website. Click the link to get started on how to set up your own online store and accept payments online for free. iWood Media Host, powering over thousands of African websites online.